Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing the state, backup app data and configuration, and create a snapshot if possible. Once done, read the release notes to confirm prerequisites and permissions, then download the update package into a staging directory. Make sure to stop the app or scale down instances to prevent writes. This avoids corruption. You will also clear temporary caches and lock files so the installer can write cleanly. Finally, verify checksums on the package before moving to installation. You now apply the update. Follow the vendor or CI/CD steps to install binaries or deploy new containers. While installing, run dependency updates and merge any configuration changes carefully. If you use environment overrides, make sure they remain intact. Next, execute database migrations in a controlled environment and monitor for migration errors. Run automated unit, integration, and smoke tests to validate behavior. If tests pass, stage the release to a small subset of instances, so you finish by restarting services and running full health checks. Verify endpoints, background jobs, and integrations respond as expected. Make sure to monitor logs and metrics for at least 15 to 30 minutes to catch intermittent issues, and gradually resume full traffic. If you encounter failures, the key troubleshooting tip is to restore from the backup and roll back the release immediately. Then inspect migration and error logs to identify the root cause. Once fixed, reapply the update in a controlled test cycle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.